Let's now go to erectile dysfunction. Let's discuss clinical tips. The channels influencing men's genitalia. The genitals are related primarily to the liver and kidney channels and to the Ren, Chong, and Du-mai. The liver-Luo channel loops around the genitalia, while the influence of the Renmai on the genitalia is obvious. That of the Du-mai vessel is often overlooked. The Su-wen describes an anterior branch of the Du-mai vessel that flows to the external genitalia both in men and women, and to the pubic bone, and from here ascends up the abdomen on the same trajectory as the Renmai. The branch of the Dumai going to the penis in men and vagina in women has clinical significance because it means we can use the Dumai rather than the Renmai for genital problems in both men and women. We would want to do that when there is a pronounced kidney yang deficiency. The pathways of the channels flowing to the genitalia are as follows. A branch of the Dumai flows down to the genitalia. The kidney main, luo, and muscle channels flow through the genitalia. The liver main, luo, divergent and muscle channels wrap around the genitalia. The role of the heart in the male genital system. The menstrual and sexual function in women and the sexual function in men rely on the coordination and harmony between the kidneys and the heart. The water of the kidneys and the fire of the heart need to nourish each other. While the kidney jing is the origin of sperm in men and menstrual blood ova in women. The heart plays an important role in erection and sexual arousal. In particular, in men, the heart plays a crucial role in erection, orgasm, and ejaculation. Just as the discharge of blood at menstruation and the release of the eggs at ovulation depend on the descending of heart chi, erection and ejaculation also depend on the descending of heart chi. To perform these functions, heart chi descends to communicate with kidney chi. Kidney water needs to ascend towards the heart and heart fire, the physiological emperor fire. It needs to descend towards the kidneys. The coordination between the descending of heart fire and the ascending of kidney water ensures a normal menstruation and ovulation in women and normal sexual function in both men and women. The ascending of the kidneys and the descending of the heart in the menstrual and sexual sphere is also ensured by the communication between the Dumai and the Renmai. In fact, both these extraordinary vessels originate from the space between the kidneys. Both flow through the uterus in men through the prostate, and both flow through the heart. The Dumai and Renmai form a closed circuit and may be looked upon as one channel, one yang, the other yin. The Dumai represents the kidney yang and the Renmai, the kidney yin, in the fluctuation of yin and the yang during the menstrual cycle. The proper communication between the heart and the kidneys, between the Du and Renmai, ensures a normal menstruation and ovulation and normal sexual function in both men and women. With regard to sexual function, during sexual excitation, the minister fire within the kidneys is aroused and flows up towards the pericardium and heart. For this reason, the person becomes flushed in the face, the complexion is a manifestation of the heart, and the heart rate increases during sexual excitation. With orgasm and ejaculation, there is a downward movement of chi, which releases the accumulated minister fire downwards. In order for this to occur normally, the downward movement of heart chi is crucial. A normal sexual desire, arousal, erection, and orgasm therefore relies on three main factors. First, the ascending of kidney water and descending of heart fire. Second, the communication between the kidneys and the heart. And third, the connection between the Du and Renmai. If the minister fire within the kidneys is deficient there, There will be a decreased libido in both men and women, an inability to reach orgasm in women, and impotence in men. If heart chi and heart blood are deficient or not ascending to communicate with the kidneys, there may be impotence or premature ejaculation in men and inability to reach an orgasm in women, even in the presence of sexual arousal. The discussion on blood, written in 1884 by Zhonghai says, fire is yang and generates blood, which is yin. On the other hand, blood nourishes fire and makes sure that fire does not flare up, whilst blood moistens the lower burner. It is stored in the liver, it fills the sea of blood and the chong and ren and dumai, and it warms and nourishes the whole body. When blood moistens the lower burner and the sea of blood, the heart fire follows it down to the umbilicus, then blood is flourishing and fire does not flare excessively, so that men are free of disease and women are fertile. From this passage, it is apparent that the heart chi and heart blood need to flow downwards to the lower burner to interact with blood and jing. Thank you for your attention.